In our main React application we built so far, which we called frontend, we have two dependencies, shared UI and shared utils. How we can make sure that the dependencies are built first before running an application using depends on field. Let's try and build frontend app without its dependencies built. Let's delete shared UI's this folder first, and then we can run the start command of frontend application. And if we try to load the page, we will encounter an error because it says that it cannot find this folder because we didn't build the application. Because our reliance on other local packages within the workspace essentially boils down to symbolic links to those projects. Let's stop this app and try and build the shared UI library. And now we can try and run our front-end application. As you can see, now it works as expected. NX can be configured to handle this automatically for us. By configuring the NX JSON file, we can ensure that the necessary build target is set in the target defaults area. Let's add a new property here called depends on, where we say that all builds depend on the build of the child projects or dependent projects. This means whenever we run a build on our front-end React app, it will first trigger the build on its dependent projects. We can do the same for our dev command. It will first run builds of shared UI as well as our other dependency project shared utils. Here the build ran successfully, and you can read it in the bottom. It says successfully ran target build for project frontend and 2 tasks it depends on.